Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all must be fit, fine and healthy and must be taking well care of yourself. I also hope so that you all must be paying attention towards your studies also. So my dear little kids, today I Chitra Belwal once again welcome you all to your English grammar class. So my dear little kids, today we will continue lesson 3, that is noun in your English grammar. As you all know that we have already finished most of the topic in this chapter. Only one last topic is left, that is noun as verb or adjectives. So my dear little kids, sometimes we use noun as a verb also, and sometimes we also use noun as an adjective also. So today I will tell you in what type of sentences we use noun as a verb or adjectives. But before telling you that, let us recall the definitions of noun, verb and adjectives. You all must, although we have not done this topic in this grade 5, that is verb and adjectives, but I hope that you all must have studied about the verb and adjectives in your previous grade. So let's recall all the definitions once again. What is naming word? What is noun? So all the naming words are known as noun. That means a noun is name of any person, place, animal, thing, any activity, then emotion, idea, etc. These all are noun. I have already discussed many times about this noun, so there is no need for the explanation now. Now coming towards what is verb. Verb क्या होते हैं? All the doing words are known as verb. So the words which says something about the action of subject is called a verb. It means whatever the action has been taken place by the subject. Subject here means about whom we are talking about, whatever he is doing. That is known as verb. Okay. All the doing words, whatever work we are doing, whatever work the subject is doing, that is known as verb. Okay. And now what is adjectives? So describing words are known as adjectives. The words which tell us something about a noun or pronoun or add something to it. It is known as adjectives. Adjective means beta सारे describing words, whatever we are describing about the noun and pronoun, all those words are known as adjectives. So I hope you all must have recalled all the definition of noun, verb and adjectives. Now coming towards the exercise which we are going to learn today is noun as verb or adjective. So my dear students, I have written something for you in the board. See, there are some nouns that can be used as verb or adjective depending on the usage of the sentences. So my dear students, many times it happens that we use noun as an verb also and as an adjective also, depending upon the use of the sentence. कहाँ पे sentence में उस word का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. So many times we use noun 2 times. Same word 2 times, but their meanings are different. Sometime it may be noun and another time, another moment it may be verb or adjectives also. So let's understand this exercise with the help of an example. See my dear little kids, here the first example is given to you that today there is no water to water the plant. So in this sentence you are seeing that 2 times the water is used, right? 2 times water used हुआ. एक बार here there is no water to water the plant. So do you think the meaning of water here in both the words are same? Both are noun? No. Let's see once again. In this sentence it is saying, today there is no water. Today there is no water. आज कोई पानी नहीं है। यहाँ पे water means क्या है? पानी. That is, it is a noun. ये किसके बारे में कह रहा है? Noun के बारे में कह रहा है. So, to water the plant. Here, water means होता है पानी देना. ठीक है? To water the plant. That means, today there is no water to water the plant. प्लांट्स को पानी देने के लिए कोई पानी नहीं है. सो यहाँ पे टू वाटर क्या है? दिस इज योर वर्ब. यहाँ पे टू वाटर क्या है? वर्ब है, काम है. और यहाँ पे क्या है? इट इज नाउन, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वाटर ओनली. सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? देयर इज नो वाटर टू वाटर द प्लांट. राइट? नाउ सी द सेकंड वन. A flying insect is flying over the dirty water. Again, in this sentence also, you are seeing that the word flying, it has been used 2 times. So, do you think the meaning of the flying in both the words are same? So, let's read the sentence once again. A flying insect. That means we are talking about the flying insect. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? हम flying insect के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो here flying, यहाँ पे flying जो है ये आपका क्या है? This is your noun. ये आपका क्या है? Noun है. And a flying insect is flying over the dirty water. Here it has been said that flying insect, it is flying over the dirty water. ये डर्टी ऊपर के ऊपर फ्लाइंग इंसेक्ट फ्लाई कर रहा था. सो हेयर द वर्ड फ्लाइंग, यहाँ पे जो फ्लाइंग दिया है, दिस इज योर वर्ब. ये क्या है? डूइंग वर्ब है. मीन्स काम के बारे में बता रहा है कि फ्लाइंग इंसेक्ट क्या कर रहा है? इट इज फ्लाइंग. ओके, सो हेयर दिस फ्लाइंग इज नाउन एंड द अनदर फ्लाइंग इट इज अ वर्ब. ओके, नाउ थर्ड वन इज I don't have a copy. I don't have a copy to copy the work from the blackboard. It means it has been said that here the term copy is used twice. Again in the sentence you are seeing that copy word is repeated twice. 2 बार use किया गया है. So I don't have copy. That means we are talking about the copy. We are talking about the notebook. Okay, so I don't have a copy. Copy is noun or verb? Yes, of course, it's a noun. So here the copy is a noun. यहाँ पे copy क्या है? It is a noun. I don't have a copy to copy. यहाँ पे copy का मतलब क्या है? To copy means लिखना. To copy means to write. Okay. I don't have a copy to copy the work from the blackboard. It means I don't have any notebook or copy to copy from the blackboard. Blackboard से कुछ उतारने के लिए मेरे पास copy नहीं है. So, to copy word is used twice, but their meanings are different in the sentence. First one is noun and the second one is verb. So, my dear students, in all the above sentences, water, flying, copying, you are seeing that the term has been used twice, but what differentiation you are seeing in that? The first one is the noun. First one is the noun, that is the naming word, and the second word which is used twice is your verb. Verb means होता है doing words, or we in Hindi we also called it as काम. Okay, so these have you understood how to use? Many times noun is used as a verb also in the sentence, as depending upon their uses. So my dear students, as we have already discussed where we use noun as in verb, so now we will discuss about, sometime it may happen that we may use the noun to describe the another noun. So let's understand the topic when we use noun as an adjective. So let's understand and learn about this with the help of examples. See, sometimes we may use a noun to describe another noun. Many times it happens, my dear students, that we use the term noun to describe the another noun. कभी कभी हम एक नाउन को समझाने के लिए दूसरे नाउन का यूज करते हैं. So that means noun is used as an adjective. Okay, so in such case the first noun act as an adjective. So in that case, when two nouns are given in the sentence, so the first noun will act as an adjective and the second one will be your noun. So see the examples. See here, first one is given a paper bag. A paper bag. That means we are talking about a bag which is made up of paper. A paper bag is a bag made of paper. So, have you understood? In this sentence, you may see that paper is also a noun. Paper bhi noun hai. Then bag is also a noun. So, two nouns are given in this sentence, right? So, I have told you that if two nouns are given, okay, and sometime the noun is used to describe the another noun, then the first noun will be your adjective. मैंने अभी अभी आपको बताया था कि अगर दो नाउन एक साथ यूज हो तो पहला नाउन क्या होगा, वो दूसरे वाले नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करेगा कि वो चीज कैसी है. सो हाउ इज, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बैग इट इज? यस, इट इज a bag made of paper, and paper is also a noun but it is used as an adjective. यहाँ पे ये किसका काम कर रहा है? Paper is used as an adjective. एक उसकी विशेषता बता रहा है. बैग है तो, but what type of bag it is? Yes, it is a bag made up of paper. So here paper will be your adjective. Okay. Now see the second one, a tablecloth. In this also, a tablecloth. In this also, you are seeing that table is also a noun. Then cloth is also a noun. Okay. So here the term table is used as an adjective. It works of the adjective. It is telling the quality of a cloth. कि cloth तो है पर वो किसका cloth है? Table का cloth है. So here the word table, it is used as an adjective. Okay. Two nouns are there, but here the word table, first one is working as an adjective. Okay. Now coming towards the third one, a gold ring. A gold ring. In this sentence also, you are seeing that again two nouns has been used. Right? दो noun use हुए हैं. First one is gold. Gold is also a noun. Then another one is ring. Ring is also a noun. वो भी एक क्या है? Thing है. So here the term gold, it works as an adjective. यहाँ ये ring की विशेषता बता रहा है कि ring कैसी है? Gold है की है. So here the term gold, although it is noun, but it is working as an adjective. ये किसका काम कर रही है? Adjective का काम कर रही है. So here this gold is an adjective. A gold ring is a ring made of gold. Okay. So the last example which I will tell you in this is a fish tank. Again you are seeing that we are talking about fish tank. What is fish tank? Fish tank is a tank used to keep fish. So here the fish is also a name of an animal and tank, it is name of a thing. So they both are noun, but you can see that the first noun is describing the second noun. जो पहला noun है उसको describe कर रहा है कि tank तो है, but what type of tank it is? Yes, it is fish tank. So my dear students, sometime it may happen that one noun describes another noun. So the first noun will be your adjective, will work as an adjective. I hope you have understood where we use noun as an verb as an adjective. My dear students, always remember that if a noun is used as an adjective, it is usually in singular form. जब कभी भी हम noun को adjective के form में use करते हैं, then it is in singular form. Singular form में होता है, one के form में होता है. But if there is plural, it is the real noun only. But हो सकता है कभी कभी प्लूरल फॉर्म में भी हो, बहुत सारे s लगा हो उसमें या es लगा हो, so that means it is a real noun. So as you all know, there is exception in all the cases. Similarly, we have exceptions in this also. There are a few nouns that looks like plural, but they are used as a singular noun. कुछ ऐसे nouns होते हैं which are in plural form, जो plural form में है, but they are used as an singular noun. उनको हम singular noun की तरह use करते हैं. For example, my dear students, you all must have listened your teachers saying that, please give me scissors. Please give me scissors. So in this, the spelling of scissors is, so here you are seeing that scissors S word is used. It doesn't mean that we are talking about many scissors. Here it means that I am asking for only one scissors. Scissors का ये मतलब नहीं मैं बहुत सारी कैंचियां मांग रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ एक कैंची मांग रही हूँ. Scissors. Scissors is, although it is in plural form, but it is showing the singular form. ये एक form को बता रहा है. Okay. Similarly, you must have listened the term sports. You must have listened the term sports. Similarly, you can see that S is mentioned there. It doesn't mean that we are talking about many sports. Sports is plural form, but it is showing the singular sports. Okay. Now, similarly, you have listened the term news. आपने news word सुना है. It is in plural form, but it shows the singular form. ठीक है? Have you understood this? So, for example, I will tell you a sport person. When we are talking about one sport, a sports person. That means here we are talking about only one sport person. इसका मतलब हम यहाँ पे क्या है, हम एक ही sports person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? And suppose many sports person are there or 2 or 3 are there, so we used to write 2 sports person. We used to write like this. We used to mention the digit, how many sport persons are there. ठीक है? यहाँ पे a sports person है, that means we are talking about one sports person. If there are more than that, so we will write like this, 2 sports person, right? Similarly, we used to say that a news report. A news report. It means we are talking about only one news report. We are talking about one news report. S लगा है news में, but we are talking about only one news report. Okay. When we are talking about more, then we used to write two news report or 3 new news report, 3 news report. Okay. We used to write like this. So my dear students, I hope you have understood this topic well, that although the noun it is showing the plural form, but it used to tell about the singular form only. In that we used to, if we are talking about plural, then we used to mention the number over here. We used to mention the number over here. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. And my dear kids, if there will be any queries, then you are most welcome to contact me. Thank you. Have a blessed day ahead.